Is the same error stopping you from GeForce Now titles? If so, this is how you can fix the error code in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now this error can occur because GeForce Now server is down. For example, the server could be down for maintenance. So you can check the server status for various features on the GeForce Now server status page. And to open it, open Browser, copy this link, then press Enter. Also, running GeForce Now with admin rights is also a simple potential solution worth a try. You can enter GeForce Now in the Windows search box, right-click the app results, then select Run as Administrator. And lastly, restart all NVIDIA-related services by opening Services. Right-click on every NVIDIA-related services you can see, then select Restart. Now if an NVIDIA service is not already running, select the Start option for it instead. And that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.